It's their habitat. Does it work? Alright, we're about to climb a mountain so that we can see that from a high. So that's Taipei 101. We're about to go up Elephant Mountain, Xiang San. You want to go on the evil building? Alright, guys, ready? Yeah. So you have this like jungle.
Yeah.
And then super modern building to the side. Got this one behind me.
Why can't there just be an elevator?
Yeah, I know. We're safe. Usually like the steepest step ever. But we're almost there.